In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted chats on Instagram. So first of all, open up your Instagram application and tap on the profile icon which is present at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now on your profile, you have to tap on the settings icon which is present at the top right corner of your screen. Now in your settings and activity, you very simply have to tap on account center. In your account center, you have to tap on your information and permissions. In this section, you have to tap on export your information. Once you tap on it, you will be redirected to an entirely new interface. From this interface, you very simply have to tap on create export. Now you have to select whether you want to export your information in your device or to an external service. So I will simply tap on export to device. Once you tap on it, you will be now asked to customize your information. So if you tap on customize information, you will be able to see all of these options which you can receive as the information from Instagram. So you very simply have to tap on clear all, then scroll down and you will see the messages. You have to checkmark the messages option and tap on save. By doing this, now you will only receive your messages which were saved by the Instagram application. These also include the deleted messages on Instagram. Additionally, you can also select the date range of your messages. Like for example, if you want to see all of the messages of last week, then you can select the option that says last week. Once you're done, you have to tap on save. Now, you very simply have to scroll down and tap on start export. Now, you have to re-enter your Instagram account's password. Once you're done, you will now see a message that says your information is being prepared for export and they will let you know when it's ready. So now what you have to do is to very simply wait for around 30 or 40 minutes. By then, you will receive an email from Instagram that will contain the information that you want. Now, once you have received your email, you very simply have to check it by your email application. And as you guys can see, the email has been received by me that says your meta information download is ready. So once you see this email, this is your go mark that you have to again open up your Instagram application, again repeat the process of going into your settings, then your account center, then your information and permission section. Now from here, you have to again obviously tap on export your information and you will be again redirected into this section. But now this time you have to scroll down and in the current activity you will see available downloads. You very simply have to tap on download. Once you tap on download, you have to again tap on download. Now you will be redirected and it will say that do you want to download Instagram and the file name. You have to tap on download and by doing this you will be able to easily start the download of your Instagram chats. Once it is done, you can open up your iPhone files and you will be able to see that your Instagram chats are now present in a document form. So to actually access your Instagram chats, what you will have to do is to first of all tap on the unzipped file that you have now downloaded in your files. Once you tap on it, now a folder will appear in front of you with the same name, so you have to tap on it. Once you open the folder, you will see all kinds of information over here. So you have to scroll down and you will see an option that says your Instagram activity. So you have to tap on it. Once you tap on it, you will see a folder that says messages. So you have to again tap on it. Now from here, you will see the option of chats, inbox, photos or secret conversations. So you very simply have to tap on chats and you will be able to see all sorts of your chats and also the deleted messages on Instagram. So that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.